Hey guys, this is CBW563 along with...
An emergency alert.
And?
SIMA WX.
And today we are going to be unboxing, as shown on the box, a SIMA First Alert WX67. So let's just get into the unboxing quick because probably Ruskin's going to issue a marine warning in the next 30 minutes.
Oh yeah. Look at you.
Oh yeah!
Look at you with your SIMA.
Oh, okay, well first actually I just want to take a look around the box to make everybody pissed off and wait. So first you got the NOAA logo, remote alert capability, alert audio, advanced specific area message receiver. Let's flip you over. Oh wait, that's the back, bro, that's the back of the box. Listen to...
System or specific area message coder.
Provides early warning, blah blah blah, blah 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 blah, cat WX67, okay. Wait, what's the city? Hold on, wait, what's the city? That's Seattle. That's Seattle. Okay, so let's just put this back, cause, just to make it proper. Hold up. Wait a minute. Am I right? Also, if you notice a discrepancy in my voice, allergies. God help us all. Wait, no, that's just... Oh, god damn it, that's how you open it. Okay. So take the flaps out. Alright. So, actually, I think it's backwards. Is it? It's... What the fuck? It's backwards. Bro, it's backwards. It's on backwards. Oh, it's a Ziploc bag. It's a random-ass Ziploc bag. Okay. Here's the manual for it. Oh, it's got... Oh, yeah, I forgot it has a function knob. Ishmael, you're gonna have to help me with the setup. Alright. Here we go. Yeah, let's flip you over. And... Oh. Okay, I fucked everything up. What the fuck is this? What is the picture of the radio on the manual? That doesn't even look like a WX67.
I mean, wait. Can you show the camera to us? Or can you show me to us?
Oh yeah, hold on here. I'll show you guys. Look at this. This doesn't look like a WX67.
Oh. I didn't get that.
Anyway, let's flip you over. And here's the radio. Brand new. Fucking hell, stop playing penis music for like the third time! For like the third time! For the third time, stop playing penis music! Oh my god!
I'm gonna quote that again.
Ah, fuck! I'm screwed. Okay, anyway. I gotta say, the WX67 actually does look really snazzy. Okay, so, also, it takes a 9-volt, doesn't it? It takes a 9-volt, as predicted. What the fuck? It has a 9-volt... There's a 9-volt battery in the radio. What?
Well, it's definitely not moving box.
Yeah, that's definitely not supposed to... I would take that out, like, now.
I just did, and I'm throwing that away. I hope that doesn't mean... I hope that doesn't mean that the radio is broken. Okay.
I mean, at least it's not as bad as the time about a VA and got a WR120.
Bruh.
But at least you got... Oh, actually, no. It was the exact 2020 W120, but you already have. I have a 2012.
Oh yeah, I forgot. Wait, you have a 2012 120?
Like, does yours have the weekly test option in the menu?
Yes.
What? You never...
Yeah, because the 2011 ones are the ones that...
I know that, but you never told us. Oh my god, dude, this is like, just like a Radio Shack radio. Dude, this is just like a radio, it's just like a Radio Shack radio, because it has remote alert options. And you got an HH. Okay. Now, ready? We're gonna power on the radio in 3, 2, 1. And here we go. PM 1200. Also, can you do a siren test?
There is no siren, unfortunately.
Oh, it's fine.
But you can just self-activate it.
Yeah, I can self-activate it. I won't do it on camera, though. Okay, weather radio on-off. Oh, yeah, there's a cool... Oh, God, that is a horrible invalid beep.
It really is. So bad.
Wait, oh my God, I can make a beat. Okay.
Not full.
Okay, so let's see. Volume. Set you to. Oh, good. The tuner works. Oh, God. Okay. Let's put the antenna up. Okay, we're gonna zoom in as well. Turn you down. How do you do setup?
Okay. Oh gosh, I'm ready to show you how to do this. So, first.
Program. Here we go. Enter. Why is it? Oh, it's on. It's on K863, channel 4. For now, we're gonna have you on channel 3. Oh wait. Oh, hold up. I fucked something up. Enter. Okay, here we go. Alert. Select tone. Voice. Single. Multiple. Select. Wait. Hold on. Is this one of the one? Wait. Question. East Melbourne. Do you have to type in 99 for the all county code?
Chance of thunderstorms. Friday night, south winds 10 to 15 knots, increasing to around 20 knots toward morning. Seas 3 to 4 feet with occasional seas to 5 feet. Bay and inland waters.
Hold on, wait. Let's go to enter location code. Location 1. 9999. Wait. 9999999. Okay, it already has that program. Single, multiple, enter, location code. 9!
Bay and inland waters rough. Showers in the morning.
Alert. Select.
Saturday
Got
night,
that.
north
Single,
winds 20 to
enter,
25 knots,
location
then
code
becoming
setting,
northeast toward
clock.
Seas 6 to
Okay,
8
it is,
with occasional seas to 10 feet.
1650.
Inland waters rough. Sunday, northeast winds around.
Oh, wow, that's actually really, I like that. I like that you can set the clock like that. That's actually, I like that.
Seas 4 to 6 feet with occasional seas to 8 feet.
Okay, it's 1250. 16, well, it's 51 now.
East winds around 15 knots. Seas 2 to 3 feet.
Okay,
Bay and inland waters a moderate chop.
450.
Monday, east winds around 15 knots, diminishing to 5 to 10 noon. Becoming northwest late in the afternoon.
Alright, we're gonna turn you off. Is there any other settings? Oh, wait. Oh, God, no. No.
You're gonna crash that thing.
Oh no, trust me, it can handle it. My alert is on.
Oh, God.
167 can't.
No. Romium, the tuning knob is an invalid button beep. So when you turn it, it makes an invalid button beep. Bruh.
A chance of showers after midnight. Friday.
Wait, why does it say
south winds around
alert?
15 knots.
It says alert off, but I have the... Hold on, wait. How do you turn on the alert switch? Because I have the alert switch set to on, but it says alert off. It's switched down, and it still says alert off.
Go to the alert.
Is that an issue or no?
Wait, can you show me that? Okay.
I'll show you later. But all right, so we're gonna conclude the setup of my SIMA First Alert WX6. Oh yeah, by the way, it comes with a headphone jack, which is pretty cool.
And also, remember, this thing actually has a battery selection.
Yeah, what is that for?
I'm assuming, I'm honestly not sure what it does.
I'm probably actually.
Oh! I did it, and now it shows the battery icon on the bottom.
Oh, is that just to turn the battery on and off?
It says will engine RV. Oh, reserve battery.
Reserve? Wait, there's two? AC-38's doing D right now.
I guess if you want to have it running on
Alright, well, we're gonna end the unboxing there. This has been TPW563 along with...
Rust and emergency alerts.
And...
East over WX.
And, this is TPW563 and I'm signing off. Bye.